Hey everyone, welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're looking for the ultimate ride that combines power, style, and convenience, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving into the top 5 best electric bikes of 2025 that you absolutely must have. These cutting-edge e-bikes are perfect for commuting, adventure, or just cruising in style. So make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check out the product links in the description box for all the details and where to buy. Let's get started. The Heybike Ranger 2.0 is a major upgrade over its predecessor, packing a peak 1,400 watt motor that delivers significantly more power for faster acceleration and impressive climbing capability. It's engineered for performance and endurance, with an overall boost in riding comfort. What truly sets this bike apart is its 20 by 4-inch fat tires. These are like off-road boots for your bike, gripping everything from soft beaches and slippery mud to icy trails. Compact yet powerful, the HOVERFLY H3 features a 500-watt peak motor that pushes speeds up to 15.5 miles per hour. With a 280.8 watt-hour removable battery, this bike can go 15.5 miles in pure electric mode and up to 28 plus miles in pedal assist mode. Its foldable design makes it the perfect urban commuter, easy to store, carry, and ride. The adjustable seat and handlebars ensure a custom fit for comfort on any journey, while dual disc brakes and front shock absorbers offer solid safety and stopping power. For serious riders who crave power, the Amyet EB26 electric bike brings the heat with its 1,000-watt brushless motor, capable of reaching a peak of 1,500 watts. It hits a top speed of 28 miles per hour, making it one of the most powerful in this list. The 48-volt 15-amp-hour removable lithium-ion battery promises a range of up to 38 miles on full electric and 65 miles in pass mode, giving you impressive endurance on a single charge. It's built for all terrains with 7-speed gearing, allowing smooth transitions across varying landscapes. Built with convenience and reliability in mind, the Cityone step-through electric bike offers a seamless and relaxed commuting experience. The UL2849 certified built-in battery ensures safety and a 40-mile range per charge while incorporating features like over-temperature and overcharging protection. The 26-inch by 2.1-inch tires are wider than standard tires, giving better grip and comfort, especially on slippery surfaces like sand and mud. With a front fork suspension, every bump is absorbed, offering a smooth, cushioned ride. Topping our list is the versatile and dependable Jasion EB5 electric bike, equipped with a 350-watt motor that peaks at 500 watts, pushing it up to 20 miles per hour. Perfect for commuting or light adventures. Its removable 360 watt-hour battery provides a range of 25 to 40 miles per charge, giving you the flexibility for short trips or extended rides. The upgraded LCD display is intuitive and feature-rich, providing ride data like speed, distance, and battery level.